Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to add closed captions to your Instagram videos, perfect for improving accessibility and boosting engagement. And here's how to do it. First, upload your video as a reel or story. Then tap the sticker icon, then choose the caption sticker or text tool. Then the Instagram will automatically generate subtitles based on your audio. You can change the style and position of the caption before posting. And here you can also add captions to your CapCut application or InShot or Clips to manually add or edit a caption. Then export the video, then upload it to the Instagram, and this gives you a full control of editing your font, color, and more. And that's how it easily to add a caption to your Instagram videos, either automatically or manually. If this video helped you, don't forget to like and subscribe and hit that bell icon for more content creation tutorials. Thanks for watching.